Hello 朋友们，大家好 Welcome to Melin's Kitchen. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow. Today we are making garlic okra. If you like garlic, then this recipe is definitely for you. This simple recipe is very easy to make. All of the ingredients are in the description box. Now I show you how to make it. Let's get started. Let's start by cleaning the okra. Then cut off the end. Now cut some garlic, remove the husk and mince it. Let's boil some water and add the okra in. Cook it for a few minutes, but don't cook for too long or it will become too soft. After a few minutes, take it out and plate it. Let's make the sauce. Add some oil into a wok on medium-low heat. You don't want it too hot or it will burn the sauce. Then add the garlic and cook until there is a rich garlicky fragrance. Now add oyster sauce. You can use vegan oyster sauce if you like. Add some water and add chicken powder. You can replace this with mushroom seasoning. Cook the sauce for half a minute and put it on the okra. Now the okra is done. Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. I hope your mouth is watering like mine. The okra is crunchy and slimy. I very like the texture. It is savory and very garlicky. So delicious. If you like the garlic, this recipe is for you. If you have any question and would like to be mentioned in the next video, feel free to comment. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。